This is The Flow of Life, and it's a permanent installation of 9.5 meters made 100% with waste, which required about 8,000 screw caps and just as many ring pulls, some of which were indeed collected by the students, parents and staff of the school where it is installed, namely the Ada Lovelace Church of England Secondary School, which is open to all faiths. The Flow of Life is a depiction of what all faiths have in common, both the belief that life doesn't end with death but merely flows into a different stage, and the present moment itself, where we are all indeed sharing the miracle of life. Finally, it is a celebration of all our diversities, which, just like hues and shades, once together create the rich canvas of life.